Hi everyone, Carson here with Readybox. Today I'm going to show you how to install and set up Cura in order to slice a 3D file and print out a test print on your Readybox. So in order to do this we need a few things. We can go to the Readybox website, readybox.io. We can go to the Readybox tab, down to Downloads, and we need the Readybox Cura profile and Cura itself, which we can get here. Cura is Ultimaker's slicing program. We can download it right here. So a slicer is something that will take in a 3D file, like an STL, convert it into G-code, which a 3D printer uses in order to tell the nozzle exactly how to move and where to move in order to print the print. So we can go ahead and unzip the profile, and we can install Cura. You can install Cura like literally any other program. That's all good, and let's just wait for this to finish. Perfect. Alright, it is done. So if this is the first time you've installed Cura, a wizard's going to show up, which you can also access right here. So this is what you'll be seeing, and if not, you can go into that wizard to get here. So this is how you set up the Readybox profile. As you'll see, Readybox is not listed there, so you should click Other, Custom, and this is where we create the Readybox machine. The build area is 325 all around. Nozzle size is 0.6, and there is a heated bed. So we can finish that off. You can go up here to select the Readybox. So the last thing we need to do is load the profile, which we can do by File, Open Profile, and we can open up the file we extracted earlier, and it is good to go. So one important thing to note, if you go into Expert, you'll see this switch to Quick Print. You cannot use this with Readybox. The settings are not compatible. You have to stay in this full setting screen. And that's pretty much it. If you have experience slicing a 3D file, you can go ahead and close out this video. And if you don't, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to continue to walk you through slicing a file. So we can go up here to File, Load Model File. And the David head is our test print of choice. Due to its complexity, it's great to test out the finer details on the Readybox. So if you haven't used Cura before, you can rotate the screen around by holding the right mouse button down and dragging. You can scroll to zoom in and out, and you can also hold down the middle mouse button and move the mouse up and down to zoom. You can click and drag with the left mouse button to move the object around. So that's pretty straightforward. If you select the model, you can mirror it. You can scale it up. Let's scale this up to 2 so we can take advantage of the Readybox's build volume and speed. And you can also rotate it as such. So I encourage you to play around with these settings. However, you do want to make sure the model is always flat on the build plate, otherwise it will fail. So that's a really basic introduction to Cura. If you select the model, you can right click it and you have all these options. One useful one is multiply object. This will allow you to print out the same object multiple times. So we can print out 2 heads. However, the objects do have to be on the build plate, and if they aren't, you can just hit yes and it will center it. It looks pretty good. So as you can see with the status bar up here, Cura is currently slicing the file, and once that's done, these values are going to update, but this is the estimated time it'll take to print out the print, and this is how much material is estimated to be used. So quick settings, layer height is up here, which you can adjust. You can also adjust the fill density, and if you do need support, you will not on this print, but you can change that right here. And everything looks good, so we can go ahead and save this off. You'll notice it's the G-code, and you can put that G-code file on the Readybox via the USB cable and start printing. So that's it, and have a great day.